Welcome to the repair of Bosch F621QW washing machine. This is the third video of, so this is the video number 3. So in which, to recap what we have done, we took the front cover off. We then took the weight using a 13mm socket. After that, we managed to take off the spring which was holding the seal, and after that the seal was taken off. Now what we have done here, we have just put back the front cover, and before we put the last spring, and this is the last spring here, I need just to ensure that the lock is put in position and also the screws are put on. So this is a position for the lock, and I'm just going to bring it back in position, and I need to make sure this one is in before I can put the rubber. After that, I'll be able to put this rubber now to the outside ring, and basically this is the main bits, and the rest will just be to put back the top cover and the bottom cover, and that should be all done, and the machine shouldn't be leaking anymore. So to recap, most videos on YouTube, they are absolutely very good, except that they didn't mention about the remove of the weight, and this is very critical. Also, another thing to note of, like when you're putting back the seal, make sure you don't use a screwdriver to put back the seal, and use your hands to feel around the edges inside to make sure it's correctly in. Make sure it's correctly in. Check, look inside also, inside this one, and when you're happy, put the spring on. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If not, please, if you have any question, leave a comment and I will try to answer. Okay, bye.